In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Smartsheet and get started creating your first sheets. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. You can use any major browser as long as it's up to date and working properly. Once your browser is open, go to the official Smartsheet website. Make sure you're on the correct site before entering any information, especially when you're creating a new account. When the home page loads, look for one of the main options that helps you get started. Depending on what version of the page you see, this could be labeled Sign Up, Start Free Trial, or Contact Sales. Click the option that best matches what you want to do. If you're just exploring the platform for yourself or a small team, the Sign Up or Free Trial option is usually the fastest path. If you're looking into Smartsheet for a larger organization, the contact sales option may be more appropriate. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email you want to use for your Smartsheet account and double check it for accuracy before continuing. This matters because you may receive a verification email or important account related messages there. Using an email you can access easily will make the setup process smoother. Next, create your account by following the on-screen instructions. This usually involves filling in the required account details and setting up your login credentials. As you do this, take a moment to choose Secure Login Information and review any prompts carefully so you understand what you're agreeing to. Once your account has been created, you'll move on to selecting a plan. Smartsheet may give you the option to choose a paid plan right away or begin with a free trial. If you're new to the platform, starting with the trial can be a helpful way to explore the features before making a commitment. If you already know which plan fits your needs, go ahead and select it and continue through the setup. After your plan is confirmed, log into your new Smartsheet account. From there, you can begin creating sheets and exploring the workspace. This is where you'll start organizing projects, tracking tasks, or managing workflows based on what you need the platform for. Take your time as you look around the dashboard, since getting familiar with the layout early on will make everything easier later. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Smartsheet and you're ready to start building your first sheets.